This is what happens to your body when you consume soaked almonds every morning before breakfast. 1. Prevent aging skin. Most of us nowadays spend a lot of money to get anti-aging product, hoping to have beautiful and firm skin, not wrinkled one. By consuming soaked almonds every day, you can get the benefits of anti-aging products, since almonds contain high level of vitamin E, a strong antioxidant that can fight aging caused by free radicals. 2. Removes acne. Overnight soaked almonds do not only make skin soft and moist, but can also prevent and reduce inflammation of acne, which is caused by P. acne bacterial infection. Just grind few soaked almonds and mix it with honey to get an effective acne mask. 3. Reduce cholesterol. Overnight soaked almond reduces LDL cholesterol, low-density lipoprotein. Study reported that eating soaked almond may elevate the level of high-density lipoprotein, good fats, in blood, and reduce the bad fat that can cause many other diseases. 4. Lower blood pressure. By reducing cholesterol level and maintaining healthy blood vessels, soaked almond has contributed in maintaining normal blood pressure and keeps your body away from hypertension. Almonds contain low level of sodium and high level of potassium, which can prevent the increasing of blood pressure. 5. Prevent stroke. A stroke occurs when the blood supply to your brain is interrupted or reduced, which deprives your brain of oxygen and nutrients. Overnight soaked almond can help to reduce the risk of stroke by keeping your arteries healthy and maintaining normal blood pressure. High blood pressure and blocked arteries are the leading cause of stroke that may result in paralyzed body and disabilities. 6. Strengthens immune system. According to a study, overnight almonds may have prebiotic effect that can boost immune system. Prebiotic is known as nutrients of non-digestible food that can improve the growth of good bacteria in human gut. As we know that human gut or gastrointestinal tract play an important role in the disease prevention, and it provides 80% immunity factors. 7. Prevents from cancer. Vitamin E found in almonds are strong and powerful antioxidant, which can prevent the body from free radicals effect that are the leading cause of oxidative stress and cancer development. Free radicals can damage the DNA of cell and weakens the immune system, which leads to abnormal cell growth. Almonds' anti-cancer properties helps overcome abnormal cell growth. 8. Promotes healthy digestion. Soaked almonds contain some amount of fiber that is good for digestive system. Fiber can make the bowel move easier and make the intestine to absorb more nutrients from food. Soaked almonds also improve the number of good bacteria in large intestines that help in the defecation process. 9. Improve kids' intelligence. Known as brain tonic, overnight soaked almonds are best for children. Eating 4 to 6 pieces of almonds every day can increase kids' memory and help them build their cognitive functions.